Okay. So today we are creating a file inside the public folder, and we have to designing a particular website. Okay. So first thing, we are designing something website. So I will go to the classroom. I will choose a picture from that, and I will design that one. Okay. Wait. So I will create a file inside the public folder. It's like something flex, or you can flex.html. Okay. It created now. Done. You have tried it. Text box. I will go here. Press that icon. Wait, I will choose something picture from that. I think not that here. I think wait. I will check. I will collect some of the picture. Then I will design it. Classroom. Okay. I need to open. Not that one. My another ID is there. Inside I have, yeah, this one I think. Inside we have on the room. We have to choose a web page, that one. So what is that? Instruction. Many of the students are created that one, I think. One, two, three, four. Only five interns are creating that one. Okay. Great. So I will do instruction in that. I will open. Okay. So today we are creating that one. Like how we creating the picture of that, like a photography website. We have to create that one by using Flexbox. Let's see. So at first we need header part and footer part and body part. And body part will be divided into two parts. Okay, it's aside or like a main part. Okay, let's see. So at first I need to create header part. So you can use that semantic element inside that. It's like header, footer, or like main, or like aside, whatever we are using inside that. You can use div as well. So I will show you how we can use div in that. Let's see. You have to divide each and every one. So I need inside its ID. You have to give ID, its header. Okay. And I need another header. It's my section. It's my section. It's in serial section. Wait. Now. So you have to go there. Section. Okay. This is my ID. And inside the section, I will create something aside. Another div, like ID is aside. Okay. And another one, I have to create div. That one is like ID, and this one is the main. Okay. And in the main, we have article picture. Whatever we have there, I will text inside that. Not to worry. So next thing, we have to create footer. We love that. Div. Inside, we have to create ID. This one is footer. Then so first thing, we need a navigation bar, right? So I need navigation bar below that. Navigation ID is here. Okay. But first I need to create header part. So what are the header part I need to create? I will give a picture. It's like a something photography. I will write the name of that. Okay. So I need to give a picture. So I will go to the foundation. I will choose a picture. If that like camera picture is there, so I will copy that one. Let's see it's there or not. Foundation.com. Many are there. We have to choose one. Which one we have to choose? You can choose the Camero Retro. And I need to paste that like serial link as well, right? In that header part. So at first I will choose the picture as the first far and Camera Retro, right? We have to go there. What happened? I not need anything. Yeah. So I will write its span. Inside I will create a class. Inside its fast and far Camera Retro. Camera Retro is there. Okay. But I need to paste that like what is that Xedian link. So you have to go there. Where is that link? I think inside there. Yeah. You have to copy that serial link and you have to paste inside the text HTML the header part. Okay, done. So if I open that one, let's see what happens. So next thing we have to design the content. So I will designing something deep as well. So inside I have to write the name of the particular website. What is the name? Karlie. Wait, I will minimize it. I will go there. I will open that one and I'll paste it. Wait, I will allow. Yeah, then. So what is the name we have to write? It's like really try Wagner. Okay, done. So next thing we are require home about drawing, painting, media, and scratch content. So you have to go there in that navigation. You have to create a list item. Wait, it's opening now. Yeah, that thing we have done. Okay. So next thing we have to go there. It's the navigation. I will show you. Let's see the navigation. We have to write UL. You can write OL as well. So in that you have to write li. Inside the li we have to write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 navigation bar. So 7 list item. So you have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So first one we have home. And next one we have about. And third one we have drawings. Oh, wait, I need capital letter BRAW. Okay. So next thing I need painting PAINTING painting. And next we have media. Next we have scratch. And last one, not least, it's the contact. Okay, done. So let's see. It looks like that. Okay. So if you want to change the font size, then you can by using like we have universal selector we have there. You have to write style and this one is the universal selector. Okay. Means if you write the universal selector, it apply all that, like whatever you write inside the page, this HTML page, it will be applied in the overall. Okay. So I need to write, it's like you have to write margin, like margin is 0 pixel, 0, and you have to write padding as well, 0, and you have to write border box or box sizing, you have to write border box. Box sizing, we have to write border box, and we have font family. We have cursor, we have to write cursive. We have cursive, right? Cursive. We have to apply that. I think we have to done all these things. Okay. Next, we have to designing something. Great. Now, let's see. So at first, we have to designing that header part. So I will give you a header. It's like header. Header is my ID. Inside, I need it's like display text, and left direction will be row. This one is the row now in the row. Okay. So I need that one will be that something justify content. You have to write its fast line or fast best, whatever you need. You have to write these things. If I need like a space between or space around, I can. It look like this. Okay. So if you don't want that one, if you want to in that in the middle, then you have to use like inside slash style and text alignment center. It's not working. I think let's see if working or not. Okay, it's not working. It will be merging that one. So you have to write one thing. So main thing you have to write as well in that justify content. We have flex start, okay, or flex start. Then you have to write inside you have to give a particular ID. Okay, you can write it style, and inside you have to write margin. It's like left side 50 pixel. 50 pixel. Okay. If I write in that, it's like a something, and you can start. You can write as well as also in the margin. It will be contain whole part. If I write it's 20 pixel. Okay. So I need from that as well. I need something 80 pixel or 100 pixel. You can write inside that. Let's see what I can. It will be that one, but I need more than that. So you have to apply more. Something it is 200. We have to make it like 150. You can. Okay. I'll write 150 pixel. We'll write it 250 whatever. Let's see. Yeah, done. Okay. So next thing we have to design that one in that pink color. I think it's pink, right? So we have to go there in that ID, particular ID. We have to write margin. Sorry, it's like background color, and we have to write pink. It will be in that pink. But have you observed that one? It will be in that something. So you have to remove these things, margin left, and you have to copy and you have to press inside in that. It's better. So that style and inside margin left. It's working fine. Okay. And if you want to something like height width, you can. So I will show you as well. We are require height. It's like something 70 pixel. You can change the size as well as 50 as well. Okay, it's now great. So I think I require that particular image size, camera image. So I need font size 3 em. Get now. Okay. So if you require the content will be in that middle, or like you want to change something height as well, with you can. You have to write font size, it's like 2 em. You have to write it's like something, it's like margin top, margin bottom, whatever you require, you have to write this things. But I need 1.5, but it's more larger. So let's see. Now great. Okay. So we have done first things like what is that? We have to designing a particular header part as well. Okay. Next we have to go something navigation. Okay. So I will give inside the navigation nav. Inside I will add display X, and it's like you have to write direction row. Not working. Okay, not issue. I will change. It's like UL. It's working fine. Okay. I want to remove that particular list item, so I will write inside as navigation nav ul lie and list style non. You have right. Okay, done. So we are require something. If you want to apply like a something, what is that? UL like honorably, then you can not issue. But in here, it's applying. Okay, it's applying. But if you don't want, then not issue. So next thing, I want justify content as well. It will be like space around. Okay, that look good. So we have to done all these things, but I need like font color will be pink. Okay, that look good now. So you can change the color as well if you want more dark first. So you have to choose or any of that particular you have to go. Okay. So we have done like all these things. If you want to link the particularly the like list item, then you have to write anchor. So before that, I will show you someone asking me that mail to in that previously how we are using like mail to something. So I will show you later like how it's work. Okay. So I will give you in the website if you want to go to the email directly. So by clicking one click, how we can go to the mail, I will show you as well. So next we have to designing the body part. So my body part is like about, and we have to random all these things we have to write. So first thing we are giving that height and width as well. So width is 100%, but I need height something height will be like 70 pixels. Okay, so I need something section as well now. Okay, now onward I will write section, but inside I have to write aside. We have aside side, in that aside you have id. This one is the id, you have to write id. Okay, I need content inside that, so I will write the content. Wait, I will write all the content, whatever content is there. So I will write inside that. So first thing you have to write a header. So I will go in that aside. I will write a header one. In that I will write about. Okay. So and I have to write paragraph. On the paragraph I will write I am whatever content is writing inside that I will write. I want to like build a website as exactly. So that's why I'll write. Okay. Year old and I am originally from India. You can write India from Isha, and I made, you can write, made the decision to move when I was 25. Next you have full stop. I think they're done for this. Wait, I will check. Was 20. Wait, is that yeah? I need to open like to my numluck 25. Yes, right. It really is as old as we saw it is not, or you can write it is not. I read my snow shoveling live. Wait, with that live for year round beach access. And I'll show you how it look now. So you have to write. I am 20-year old. I am originated from the India, from Odisha, and I'm decision to move. When was I was 25. You have to write its year. And yes, it's really as cold as we see. It's not. I tried my snows live from the round piece as access. Okay, we done. Next, we have to write that main part as well, the content. So I have to go there. So I need to create a picture, and inside I need to create like a list item as well. Okay. So I will write inside this main. So inside I will create a hash three. This is the heading three. You have to write random, random fact out. Okay. So next you have to write UL and li. Inside you have to get another li. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 li I need to get. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So next thing you have to write I am proud owner of the cat. Whatever content is writing inside that. Okay. Right. My favorite color is it. And look, I love lemon. And next thing we have to write I had chocolate. Chocolate unless it has caramel or not in it. Okay, done. We move to that next one. I just recently brought a new car. Next line is we have I am. We have to write I am a state champion. Champion for archery. Okay, done. So next thing we have to write I call soda at pop. Done. So we have next we have right. Yes, I have soda. Done. Yeah. So we go there. Let's see how it look now. Yeah, it look like that. But I did something great. So I'll design that one. Wait. What happened? Yeah, done. This one is my website. I will design it. But I need something editable. So it's aside all these things I will create. Don't worry. So I think if I want to change the content, so I will write inside like font family. You have to write section inside. I need like a font ID. You have to write in that. We have to write font family. Like font family, we have right. It's like something Arial. You can write and inside that. I go there. It's Arial. I think. If you want to change something, it's like new times new Roman. Let's say it's not changing, I think, because in that it will be past reference will be in that like universal. Okay, so you have to change according to that. If you require like font, you have to remove that one and you have to apply separately. Okay, so I'll remove that one, not required. And I need something section as well. Section section, and in that I have to write it's like display flex, and it will be flex direction will be row. Okay, so now, but I want something red as well, so you have to write display text as well. So flex direction will be color. Okay, and you have to write it like something 45%. Okay, that's look good. Now you want to change something, you can write it like something 20. Yeah, it look good, but I need something more like less. It's 50. So you need to write its margin right. I need margin right, it's 20 pixel. Okay, so I need margin left as well. It's like 30 pixel. Okay, if you want more space like margin right, then you have to use. By the way, you can use inside like main section. Okay, not issue. If I write in the main section, there's a main, you have to write a main section. We have the particular like margin left. Inside you have to write it's like something 30 pixel or like 20 pixel, whatever will be looking good. Okay, so I need a picture. So I will write down the picture inside the main section. So it's image. Inside a picture we have many pictures there, but I will choose graphs picture or like fruits or mango we have there. I think mango is not there. Okay, I will choose that graphs. Okay, let's see how it look good now. Okay, so I require one things. You have to like give that main section as a flex all these things, because it's like in that uh next line, but I want to that one will be in that same line. Okay, so wait, I'll check what happened. You go there. It's like something. Yeah, so that one is my content, all the content. Okay, and this is the main section. In the main section, this is the main section. Okay, and this is the site, and we have section. This is a more section, and in that side is that part. It's like 20 or 50%, and that one is like uh, the rest part. But I want the rest part will be in that 80%. So I need to give that one. It's like section will be section. Sorry, it's not section. Width you have to write width 100%, and we have to write it's 50. Then you have to write inside width as well, something 80%. Not yeah, 80% also great, not issue. Let's see how it's pick now. This picture. This is all these things. Okay, so I need like it's like main section. I will write inside the row or column. You have to write. Wait, I will check it's allow the column or row. Display flex select direction like column if I write Okay, you have to write that particular size of the image. So it will be great, I think. Like this. 80 pixel, you have to write height and you have to write width as well. So 80 pixel. Okay, it's look good now. So if I change things, it's like in that row, let's see for that one. It will be right things now. Okay, what will you open one? Wait, what is this? I think not required. Okay. So I want to design that one like in that below of that we have to designing all this thing. Before that, I will designing something uh footer as well. So I need picture will be larger. So I will go the picture. Well, the picture, yeah. This is the picture. I will write it's 250 pixel height and it's 3% width or like sorry 300 sorry 300 pixel. Okay, it look good now. So if you want to color, so what is the color? You have to go there and you have to choose the particular color. I have to give the particular color inside that aside section as well. So background color, you have to write uh, what is the color we have to choose. That one. Let's see. Good now. Okay. If you require padding as well, you have to write padding. Padding is like something 10 pixel. And you have, if you require border as well, you have to give that. So it will look like good now. Okay, you have to create main section as well. So background color. In that I have to choose something in that one. Let's see how it look. It look good, but I need to change the picture size and like picture will be in the white color now. That's why it's not great. So you have to use the PNG form picture, so it will be look good. So I will be using white background, so it's better. And all right, white. Okay, I will change this white. Wait. Wait, this white. Yeah, it's look good now. So next thing will be we have to go there in the footer part. So we have to design a footer part as well. So next we have to go there. This footer. Inside we have to create the footer part is like uh the name longer and the like copyright we have right. Okay. And I have to go there. I will copy the header part. I will paste inside copyright. Copyright. Copyright 2021. Okay, it look good, but you have to edit that one. So you have to go there and you have to write scooter, and inside you have to write background color. It's like something pink. So text alignment you have to write center. Okay, it look good now, but I need something height width as well. So I have to write height like 100 pixel or 200 pixel, whatever you need. If you want to designing that section as a height 500 pixel, so you can, but I need the header part will be wait, I will change something. It's 400 pixel and that one is that 100 pixel. It look good now. Okay, so it's look good, but I think that one will be not good. So you have to go there. You have to write something. I will designing AS3 inside. If I using VR tag, let's see what happens. It not break the line. Okay, what happened? This is the picture we have, and this is the content. And this content will be in that. Okay, we need to like give that particular div inside that, and we have to give that particularly in that one column, so it will look good. So I will wait, I will check. You have to write in the div, inside the div you have to paste, and you have to write, it's like you have to give that particular uh, id as well, content, copy that id name, and I will go there. In that main we have filters inside and display line, not inline and require text like display direction column. Yeah, it's look good now. If you require like I said, well, but you have to change these things. Uh, you have to write it's like have to like other one is I think there you have to write content margin, margin, margin left pixel, or like you have to write 4em. Okay, this one. So if you want to change like the height of the particular like footer, then you can. You have to go there, and font size you have to write font size, and like font size will be like 2em or like 1.5, whatever you need. You have to write the things. It look now, but I need 1em. One is some smaller than that, but I need, if I go there 1.5, it look good. But if you want to change that like in that in between, then you have to use uh margin uh top 20 pixel. Okay, it will be changed these things. Okay, so if you giving that one as a height like a something span, let's say I will show you. You have to write span, and inside if I giving like something footer and span like margin top 30 pixel, it will be changed. Okay, it will be something like space in between that. So according to your requirement you have to choose. I hope you got a decent idea about that, how we create a website by using Flexbox. So if you want to Flexbox, you have to use that media query for responsive designing. All this thing you have to discuss later. Okay, we are discussing later. But if any doubt regarding like Flexbox, any of the content or like whatever, then you can ask me. Anyone have any doubt, guys? Sir, in this you using only deep tech. Yeah, I'm using a division. In the division, I will give you ID, particular ID to like unique ID for that to designing a tech. So if you want to designing a particularly by using semantic tech, then you can, not an issue. So you have to give that particular tag name inside. Then I will using ID, but you have to using the tag name. Okay. Yeah. Anyone have any doubt, guys? No doubt. Only one, two, three, four, five people are replying in that. What about others? What about other guys? Okay. So next we have to go there. It's like something 3D as well, like 2D as well, and we have to designing something media query. Okay, all these things we have to discuss. And before that, I will show you. Like we have something plugin we are using for like different web browsers. So what is the plugin we are using? I will show you. Wait. So anyone have like already have experience on that? So you have to got a decent idea about that. Like because we have browser compatibility issue we have facing inside that. Because if I open that one in the Chrome, it will be working. But if I open in that, it's like something Mozilla Firefox, it's not working. It happens. So you have to, you need to write the plugin inside that in the time of coding. So what is the plugin we have there? I will show you. So first thing, we have to go browser, and inside we have plugin. Okay. So for Chrome and like Safari and Opera Mini, we have now browser. So for that, like any of that particular element or particular property not working, you have to use WebKit. WebKit. Okay. And in the Firefox, we are using Mozilla. And Mozilla Firefox, we are using MOZ. MOZ. Okay. And for Internet, we are using MS. Okay. So these things you have to remember, because if you're designing something for browser compatible, if you're designing a website, it will be like not any of the particular property you are using inside that, but it's not working any of the browser. Then you have to use these things into working file. Okay, if you open in the any of the browser, so you have if you're designing particularly browser for that, like if you're designing for Chrome browser, then you have to not a issue. It will be you have according to that you have to designing the particular coding part or like particular programming you have to choose. But if you're designing the website, it will work as like every of the browser. So you have to use these things. Okay. Because like if you research on that, like in that India or like world as well, uh, many of that like 80% of people using like Chrome, but like 20% or like 10%, 5% people are already using in that Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini as well. Okay? So these things we have to remember. I hope you got a decent idea about that. What is like plugin we have to need in that for different browser compatibility issue. So I hope you got a decent idea. All these things, whatever I teach you inside that. If you need out, you can write in the chat box and no doubt. If you no doubt, you can write your chat like name your chat box. Then you can. Thank you so much, guys, for your presence, for your listening. Write your chat like name in chat box. Give your internet, then you can. Thank you so much.